besties, what's up guys? And yes guys, I said besties. Today you guys are my best of friends, okay? So I'm gonna call you guys besties because, well, y'all my besties. Anyway, in today's video I'm gonna swatch some lipsticks I got from shopmissy.com. They are the clean color madly matte lipsticks. They are $1 each, which I got the whole pack, which has 24 in it. It was for $20, so that's a plus. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. There's a fire starting in my heart without you. Reaching my fever pitch is bringing me out the dark without you.
Welcome to Central Bay. Same without you. Give me everything all day. Give me everything all night. Just give me everything all day. Give me everything all night. Johnny, I'm so fine.
So that's all 24 colors. And one thing I have to say about these is that some of them weren't really pigmented, and so I had to apply like 2 coats, sometimes 3, to make it look, you know, full or something, to cover all my lips. Okay, but for the most part, they weren't that bad. And also the lighter colors don't really look good on me. Overall, they weren't that bad for the price, okay? So I think they were pretty good for the price. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, because boy, this was fun. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget, guys, if you're gonna be besties forever, go ahead and subscribe to my channel.
Yes, let's be besties, okay? Come back. Go best friend, you my best friend. Yeah, you better, that's my best friend. Go best friend, that's my best friend. Go best friend, you my.
Oh, guys, go ahead and let's be besties forever. Yay. Bye, guys.